This is Kenny the Handyman, and today I'd like to discuss ways to provide emergency heat to your home, such as when the gas or power goes out. Now, my preferred method would be to get a portable propane heater. A lot of homes don't have a secondary heat source, such as a natural wood-burning fireplace, but this propane heater works great. Now, you could also use a kerosene heater, but the kerosene heater seems to produce a lot of odors, and I just don't like that smelly afterburn from the kerosene heaters. And this propane heater is doing a nice clean burn, so I don't smell those odors. Now, one of the tips I have is that you don't want to really rely on these 1-pound propane cylinders. They do not last very long in cold weather. In fact, you have a hard time starting your heater with these once the weather gets below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, because they just don't produce enough pressure. So what you want to do is get yourself a set of hoses so that you can run it off of a 20-pound tank. And here I have a long hose and going to my window, going to a propane tank, which is outside the house. Now, you can't bring that propane tank safely and run it indoors. It's just dangerous to do that, so you want to keep that outside. The other problem with these 1-pound tanks is that they're just not very economical. I mean, they cost quite a few times more than buying it in bulk in the 20-pound cylinder format. So I have my tank set up centrally in the house in the hallway, so it can heat up the entire home nicely. And I've got this long hose here running to the outside, and I have it running outside of a window, which I have it sealed off nicely just with a bath towel. And then my tank is set up safely outside so that we don't have any risk of gas leaks in the house or an explosion happening. Another tip I highly recommend is to get yourself a battery backup carbon monoxide detector. So this runs in both household current and batteries, because whenever you're running another heating source, you want to be very careful for carbon monoxide. So just have that to monitor what's going on. And I got this, they sell these hoses from the propane tanks in 12-foot lengths, but I doubled it up to twice that amount with 2 hoses, because I want to be able to locate the tank centrally in the home. So I hope that gives you some tips on how to heat your home during emergency heating outages.